everyone, my name is Randhir and I'm really happy to share this review about SKPC. So I asked them to install this polycarbonate net in my balcony. Okay, and I was really surprised that the kind of professionalism they have and the kind of work they have done, it was just unimaginable. And whatever they promised, speaking honestly, whatever they promised, they have fulfilled everything. मतलब मुझे ऐसा लग नहीं रहा था कि इतने प्रोफेशनल वे में और इतने अच्छी तरह काम कर देंगे. मतलब डेफिनेटली बहुत डाउट हो रहा था. रीजन बीइंग कि बहुत बड़ी बैल्कनी. आई हैव 800 स्क्वायर फीट का बैल्कनी. लाइक हाँ जो मीटर है, डोंट गो विद द स्क्वायर फीट, आई एम जस्ट कंफ्यूज. बट हाँ जितना एल शेप में बैल्कनी है तो काफ़ी बड़ी है. आप वीडियो में देख सकते हैं, प्रीवियस वीडियो में. So I'm really happy, and I would like to thank Mr. Mukesh Verma also, like who was present over here the entire time. So thank you Mr. Mukesh and the team who came to work, like who came to install all those, Mr. Ashok and Mr. Sonu. Thank you, आप दोनों को भी thank you. आप लोग का काम बहुत अच्छा है, I can say that. And yes, if I would recommend everyone to kindly contact SKPC for any kind of installation of net for your balconies or anywhere. So yeah, this is the best service I have received till now, and other things provided by SKPC also, so you can check their website. And thank you very much SKPC for all the wonderful work you have done. I did not expected the same quality or the same kind of work, so I'm really amazed and surprised. So thank you very much, and keep serving us like this, and we'll be really happy to contact you in future also if you need any kind of services related to your. So thank you very much. Have a nice day. Thank you.